How to create a Task Manager shortcut on desktop, Windows tips and tricks. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Windows tips and tricks. Specifically, we'll show you how to create a Task Manager shortcut on your desktop for quick and easy access. First, open this PC icon on your computer. Open Local Disk C. Click to open Windows folder. Move down and then open System32 folder. Here, move down and then look for Task Manager application. Right-click on it, and then select Show More option. Click on Send to option. Here click on Desktop, Create Shortcut option. Click to close this. Now here is the shortcut. Right-click and select Rename. Remove this shortcut name. Done. We have successfully created Task Manager shortcut on desktop. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time.